Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to clear cache on your iPhone. And for this, what you need to do is we go to settings, go back, and then from here you need to go to apps and then search here for Safari. Click on that. Right now we want to delete all the cache, so what we're gonna do now is scroll down and click here on Clear History and Website. Then we click here on Clear History, and right now we deleted our cache from Safari. Right now, if we go back and we scroll to General, you have right here your iPhone storage. And after this, if you can see, you have a lot of apps just right here. Now, right now we want to delete our cache. So what we need to do is we click on the app and we need to offload this app. You need to do this for every single app because then you deleted all the cache on your iPhone. Then the last step is to do a force restart, and you can do this force restart by clicking on your uppermost volume button, then the lowest, and then hold your lock screen button until your screen gets black and the Apple icon will appear there on your screen. After that, you will restart your phone and then you deleted all your cache. So, if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.